Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. In this video, we're diving into the Litter Genie Easy Roll refill bags, which we believe are one of the best solutions for cat litter disposal. If you're looking for a way to make litter box cleanup easier, fresher, and less of a hassle, this might just be the product for you. Let's start with the key feature, ultimate odor control. The Litter Genie Easy Roll refills come with a multi-layer bag design and an odor barrier technology that locks away the smell of soiled cat litter for up to 8 days. For those of us who deal with the frequent odor challenges of a cat litter box, this feature alone can make a huge difference in keeping your home smelling fresh. No more unpleasant surprises when you open the litter box lid. Another great thing about the Easy Roll refills is their convenience. The bags come perforated on a roll, meaning you simply pull and peel off a bag as needed. When the bag is full, you don't need to run to the store for more plastic bags. Each refill lasts up to 6 months for one cat, saving you from frequent trips and giving you peace of mind knowing you have a long-lasting supply on hand. Plus, the Easy Roll refills are designed to be sustainable. This refill uses 80% less plastic than traditional Litter Genie refills. That's not only better for the environment, but it also means fewer refills are required to last for the same amount of time. One Easy Roll refill is equivalent to 3 square Litter Genie refills, which is a significant reduction in packaging waste. To add to the benefits, this refill is specifically designed to fit the Litter Genie Easy Roll pail. It's not compatible with other Litter Genie pails, so make sure you have the right pail to go along with these refills. If you do, you'll be able to take full advantage of the effortless and efficient system they offer. With a long-lasting design, eco-friendly features, and ultimate odor control, the Litter Genie Easy Roll refill bags are a must-have for any cat owner. Who wants to make cleaning up after their feline friend a little bit easier and a lot less stinky? If you're tired of constantly running out of plastic bags, or if you're looking for a more sustainable solution, this is the product you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on products that make your life easier.